fingernail needs to be cut. Damn it, Rabbit.
What?
You stink. Go take a shit. You're not riding with us in the truck passing gas the whole way back.
Dude, I'm not gonna take a shit outside. That's gross. Kinda creepy, too.
Go pop a fucking squat behind the shed over there. Hurry the fuck up so we can get out of here.
Dude, we don't even have any paper.
Use a fucking rock.
Never fucking...
Pinch it in half, Rabbit. Let's go.
Gosh, I'm fucking trying to! Shut the fuck up, you fucking retard! Oh!
Hey, so how did all the moose get smoked anyway?